Want to create realistic transparent glass in Blender? Let's go. First, press F3 and add a single vert. Press 1, then use E plus X to extrude along the X-axis. Next, press E plus Y and continue shaping to create a basic glass profile. Now press Alt plus click to select the edges. Use the spin tool and set the angle to 360 degrees. Make sure Auto Merge is enabled. Go to Object Mode with Tab, then press Ctrl plus 2 for subdivision and apply Shade Smooth. Now go to Shading, create a new material, and delete the principled BSDF. Add Glossy BSDF, Refraction BSDF, and Fresnel. Mix them together, set the IOR to 1.2 for both Fresnel and Refraction, and set roughness to 0 in Glossy. Connect everything, then switch to Rendered View. Boom! Your transparent glass is ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe to Blender Money Studio for more quick Blender tips.